Greetings, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. It's Bright Bells Joy Bells. I am here to show you how to make jerk chicken salad. How I make jerk chicken salad, friends. I am going to season my chicken. I'm using a chicken breast, a big one. And I have the one that has the rib on it, okay? Because I like it that way. If you want to use just the chicken breast, go right ahead. Yes, so I'm gonna add 2 seasonings to it. My Grace jerk, and I'm gonna add my garlic salt seasoning, okay? And that's it, friends. You don't need anything else. Your jerk seasoning has everything in there, friends. And a little goes a long way. You only need just a little bit of that jerk. You can choose whether you want to use it mild or you want to use it hot and spicy, and you use some garlic salt, okay? Yes. Oops. That's about it. I'll just put that excess on the other side. It's okay. If too much go on one side, just rub it on the other side. That's fine. Yep. And I'm just rubbing it up. I want my seasoning to go all right through my nice chicken breast. Yes, I did. And I could use a little bit more on this side. So you season it very well, friends, so that you and everyone else will enjoy it, okay? Yes, you will. Season it very well. Season it good, good, good. And make sure that everyone gets to enjoy it. Yep. Yes. And then I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning, and I'm adding a little, not too much, friends, just a little. You see, a little goes a far way with the seasoning, friends. You don't need a lot in there, and it's gonna be nice and flavorful and rich, delicious. Try it. Bright Bells said so, friends. Make sure to make this for you and your family, friends. When I finish seasoning this up, friends, I'm gonna be doing it in a Dutch pot, right? I'm gonna do Dutch pot chicken with this chicken breast here, okay? So I'm not putting it on the grill. Traditionally, it goes under the ground. I am just doing it in a Dutch pot, okay? Yes. So this is Dutch pot chicken, and I'm using jerk seasoning to season it up with a little garlic salt seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna do this in my lovely Dutch pot, in my Dutchie, friends. Nice and seasoned. I'm gonna put it in my hot Dutchie with just a little tubes of oil. I'm gonna let it stay covered in there on each side, 10 minutes each side, and it's gonna come out nice. When I come back, I'm gonna show you how it turned out. In the meantime, I'm gonna start cutting up my veggies. I have mini sweet peppers, tomatoes, cabbage, lettuce. And let's see what else Bright Bells Joy Bells is gonna put in there. So until I get back, friends, see you in the next clip. delicious. Smells good, my nice pot roast chicken. Welcome back, lovely people. So my lovely roast is finished, friends. My pot roast chicken is nice. My nice Dutch pot chicken is nice and ready, friends. Yes. And I'm gonna slice it up so I can make my salad. Yes, I am. And this smells so good, friends. It has a rich gravy in the bottom going on. You can steam use some cabbage with that gravy and it's gonna be nice. Anyway, I'm gonna slice this up. Watch me slice it. And I'm gonna make a delicious salad, my friends. And yes, I have skin on because I wanted it to be nice and juicy. If you don't want the skin on, friends, do not keep the skin on. Make it to your liking. Take the idea and make it to your liking. Okay? Okay. It's nice and seasoned. Very well. Look at that juice going on in there. Hello. Nice and juicy, my lovely friends. Yes, so I have me nice juicy pot roast chicken, Dutch pot chicken, whatever you call it. My friends call it Dutch pot chicken. Okay? You can use a whole chicken if you want. You can use whatever you have. Use it up, friends. Look at that. Nice. You can put it in some bread. You can do anything that you want to do with it. I'm gonna yes, nice. And now I have here, friends, my nice lettuce. I have cabbage, I have tomatoes, I have sweet peppers, and mini sweet peppers, and I cut them on the bias. Alright, somebody wants to eat too. You're gonna eat, okay? Alright. And I'm gonna put my salad together, friends. Some might want cabbage, some might want lettuce, or they might want a combination of both. Give them what they want, my friends. Look how thin my lettuce is, friends. Make that lettuce as thin as you can make it. Make it as thin as you can. And put that nice salad together. Nicely. Put it together nicely, my lovely people. Just like Bright Bells is doing right now. Put your lovely tomatoes in there. Lovely tomatoes. Put them in there and let your dish look nice. Yes. Yes, friends. Look at that. Put you some nice peppers, friends. Nice peppers. Nice peppers on there like so. Okay, friends. And enjoy it. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, my friends. Yes, who said that cabbage couldn't be used to make a delicious salad? Tell them that Bright Bells said yes, you can. You can use up that cabbage in ways that will wow them, okay? Yes, you can. Put that delicious chicken roast meat on there, friends. Your delicious pot roast put you as much as you want in there, and you got yourself a delicious jerk chicken sandwich salad. Look at that. Nice, rich, flavorful, delicious. Look at that, my friends. Yes, you see that, friends? Yes, make you some. So that's plate number 1. I still have more plates to go, but look how lovely that looks. Make you some, my friends. Make you some delicious jerk chicken salad for you and your family. The children will love it, okay? Get those children to eat those vegetables, my friends. Yes. You make a nice salad with some nice dressing and they will eat it. Yes, they will. Yes, friends. So, this is it. Jerk chicken salad by Bright Bells Joy Bells. Until next time when I have another interesting recipe for you, my friends, please do good, live good, most of all, love God. Until next time, I am Bright Bells Joy Bells. Take care.